What's good, fam? Darkest Prod here, back with another video. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you how I arrange a beat. Now, there are a ton of different ways to approach this, but the way I do it, I find it's fairly quick. You really don't have to overthink it. But first, let's make an 8-bar loop. A 8-bar hook, 16-bar verse. We want the Rhodes as an intro, so we're just going to duplicate this over a whole bunch. Get rid of everything here except for the Rhodes. Change the color here and here, so that we know that's the verse. First 4 bars of the verse, I'm going to take out the kick. I'm also going to get rid of all of the vocals and the bells. I'm going to get rid of the strings, bring the strings into the last 8 bars. And we're gonna bring in the bass here after the first 4 bars. We're gonna bring in the piano here after the first 2 bars. We're also gonna add drum breaks in, helps with the overall vibe. Also, we're gonna add some vinyl crackle and some rain as well too. Cymatics has a pack. It's called Cymatics Life. Ambient sounds. It's free. It has everything you need. Vinyl crackle, rain, all that. That's the end of the video. Thanks again for sticking around to the end. I really appreciate it. If you found any value in this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We're on our way to 500. I can't thank you enough. I can't believe we've gotten this far. I got a lot more content on the way. My name is Darkest Prod. I'll see you in the next one. Probably next week, actually. Later days. Peace.